This is a 2005 Honda Accord. Hopefully this will help somebody else out, but the car will not start when I turn the key in the ignition. I get all the lights, the check engine light is on, I got the battery, I got the oil, got the cruise main, I got maintenance required light, but the clock works, navigation system works, and the radio works, so it's telling me that it's not the battery, but it is going to be the starter, and so I'm going to have to get the car towed to replace the starter. Hopefully that helps somebody else out. Once again, this is a 2005 Honda Accord.